Welcome back up on the mountain today. I have my brother-in-law trying to teach him how to run the mini excavator. Let's see how this goes.
All right, we started the training with some air digging. He was instructed to curl the bucket like he was picking up dirt, lift the boom, swing the chassis over to the right, and dump the bucket, all without actually touching the ground.
Now I did convert this MX15R from the ISO control pattern to the, I guess it's John Deere backhoe control pattern.
All right, next we've repeated the operation using some soft pre-dug dirt. Same as the air digging. Lower the boom, try to curl the bucket. You can see he still doesn't have all the controls memorized here. Slowly curl the bucket. Retract the stick just a little bit as the bucket is curling. And then with the right control, lift the boom out of the hole.
Think about what you want to do. You want to lift it up out of the hole. There you go.
And swing the chassis to the right. And dump the bucket. Now I was trying to teach him to keep the stick at about a 45-degree angle, and when he dumps the bucket to get the teeth vertical to the ground, and that way he's all prepared to swing the boom back into the hole and commence the digging a second time. So you can see he's doing pretty good there, getting the bucket realigned, get the stick where it needs to be, make sure you're clear of the terrain, and then rotate the chassis back to dig again.
Slowly trying to teach him the different controls. We have the stick control out here. We have the bucket curl and uncurl. Then we have the boom up and down and the chassis swing. And he's slowly trying to link all those controls together in his brain. We're pretty much just moving dirt from one side over there to here. And then we pick it up and put it back the other way. So right now he doesn't have the bucket uncurled enough and it's hitting some hard soil there. There, he's coming. He's got the bucket uncurled. And now curls it full of dirt. Oh, that looks pretty good. I sure hope we're not paying him by the hour. Trying to get him to learn to put the stick at about a 45-degree angle, get the bucket fully uncurled when he swings back into position, so he can just drop the boom in and go again. I have the RPM of the machine way down so that the hydraulics aren't strong enough to flip the tractor over. It's good for learning that way. You can almost see his brain cells firing, trying to figure out which control to pull. But this is how I would recommend learning how to use a mini excavator. Just find you a pile of dirt, slow the machine way down so you're not going to hurt yourself, and just pick the dirt up in one spot, drop it somewhere else, move it back and forth a few times, and slowly increase the speed of the machine once you feel like you're mastering the controls. Just don't get ahead of yourself because these things can hurt you. he's going to continue doing this for probably another 20 minutes or so, and then we'll stop and go have lunch and do something else. But you guys don't have to sit around and watch that. Get outside, do something fun, come back and tell me about it.